Imagine earning millions by simply talking about what you love. Travel, tech, fitness, or even gardening. With AI revolutionizing content creation, starting a YouTube channel today could be your gateway to a highly paid career. Let's explore why. I'm Sudhakar, a digital marketer who's seen how technology transforms industries from past 10 years. Today, I'm here to inspire you to start your own YouTube channel right now. Video content creation is set to explode in the next 5 years, and with AI tools, it's easier ever to create a professional level video, even if you are a complete beginner. In this video, we're going to cover why video content is the future, the millionaire potential of YouTube, steps to start your own YouTube journey, and how to overcome fears and challenges. Stay tuned to the entire video. By the way, there is no paid promotion, no affiliate links, nothing. It's to make sure that everyone builds their own community, make sure that they are making some great money for themselves and become their own boss. Let's start this journey. Why video? Because it's how people want to consume information. The blog information, people reading different kind of articles, it's gone. People love to watch something to learn, Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are growing faster than ever. Studies show that by 2027, over 80% of internet traffic will be video based. Wow. AI tools like Descript, Synthesia, and Runway make it simpler to edit, automate, and create videos. You don't need a productive team. You need passion and the right tools. You have already probably heard about creators making millions, but it's not just the big names. Even micro creators in niches like personal fitness, DIY crafts, or gaming earn through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and memberships. AI lets you scale your content, turns one video into a blog, a podcast, and multiple short clips to reach different audiences. For example, Ali Abdal, a YouTuber who shared productive tips, started as a side hustle and is now a millionaire. The key is to start, no matter your niche. Here's how you get started today, step by step. Step 1. Find your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about, whether it's fitness, cooking, gaming, or even tech reviews. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Trends to research trending topics in your niche. Step 2. Get basic gear. You don't need a 10,000 camera, Canon, Nikon, you don't need them. Start with your smartphone and invest in these affordable options. Microphone, Boya BY, lightning, ring light, tripod, Digitech tripod, something which you can start off with. Now, coming to the most interesting topic, overcoming fears and challenges. You might be wondering, what if no one watches my videos? Remember, everyone starts at zero. Consistency is what builds audiences. AI tools make it easier to overcome challenges like video editing or finding tips, and here's the truth. The sooner you start, the faster you learn and grow. Think of where you could be in just 1 year. The future is video and the opportunity is now. Take the first step, create your YouTube channel, record your first video, and join the content revolution. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what your needs will be. If you need more information about all the automations and AI usage, you can go on to our website under Resource Hub and even read our blogs with amazing content and free ebooks. Please utilize this option and grow your business right now. See you in the next video. Finally, be creative.